Happy New Year and welcome back to HISD Cafe. I have a special guest with me today, Miss Betty Wiggins. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Doing well. Awesome. Well, I wanted our Officer of Nutrition Services to come through in our new year. It's 2023 and our recipe today is going to be so delicious, so fabulous, and it's on trend with our theme, which is health is wealth. We want everybody to be very wealthy this year with their health. Okay, so our recipe today is called Dill With It Dressing, because it's featuring dill as an herb. And then we have another recipe that we'll put the dressing into, which is called our Cool as a Cucumber.
Well,
so
let's get
so
started.
cool. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to use our food processor today. So we have all of our ingredients that are going to go into our recipe. Okay, so first we have avocados. If you're not sure how to take the pit out of avocado, you just use a knife. Make sure, kids, that you use no supervision. And then you'll just take the pit out just like that. And then Miss Betty can use a spoon and work that in there.
Just like scooping ice cream.
Just like scooping icing.
Oh, this should be fun for the kids to be in the kitchen with their mom or
Definitely.
whoever over the holidays, because we're going to have healthy holidays.
We sure are.
Alrighty.
And we're going to add in some spices. So we have a little bit of salt. We have some garlic powder and some onion powder to give it some nice flavor.
How tasty. All of this is flavor enhancers.
Next, we have some fresh herbs. So this is where the recipe is getting its name, because we have fresh dill and then we have some parsley as well. So we'll just throw that in there as well. So this recipe is so quick and easy.
Oh, it looks good.
And then just to give it a little zing and some more freshness, we're going to add some lemon juice. And it also helps with the avocados to not turn it brown.
And it also adds flavor by adding additional salt.
Exactly.
All right, and this, ma'am.
And then we're just going to add some water.
Why are we using water?
Okay, so we're using water because this is an oil-free recipe. So this is going to be a nice, healthy dressing that you can use so much on your salads. I know some people like to drench their salads. This is a good one.
And it reduces the calorie and is more heart healthy.
Oh, for sure.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to pop our lid on,
All right.
give it a quick spin, and then our dressing's done. It's so quick and easy, just like that.
Now I got to hit what button?
Where are you hitting? Puree.
What? Gave us a shot. All right.
All right, and we should be done.
It sounds like that train that comes down Shepherd's.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so we have our dressing done.
Okay.
We'll give it a quick stir just to make sure that it's
Okay.
good.
Hey,
Nice
kids,
and
this
creamy.
is great fun. It's some way to stay away from just doing games over the holidays and get in the kitchen with your mom to make a healthy dip that you can use with chips or breadsticks or whatever.
For
Is that
sure.
correct?
That's
Okay.
correct. So if you want the dip to be a little bit more thick, you'll just use less water.
Got it.
Awesome. Okay, let's move on to our next part. Okay, so we're back with part 2. We made our dill with the dressing, and now we're going to move on to our Cool as a Cucumber salad. So I have everything prepared already for our bowl, Miss Betty. Do you want to do the honors and start adding in our couscous in our dressing?
So this is, what is couscous exactly?
So couscous is actually from North Africa, and it's actually a pasta.
Wow. So we got an international salad going on
We
here.
have an international salad
Wow.
just in time for Black History Month next month. Yes,
But you
ma'am.
know, that's the great thing about food is that it doesn't have to have any geographical location. It's just the ability to sit down and enjoy one another on a good, salad or whatever.
Yes, ma'am.
And if we eat together, it's a way that we learn to appreciate and understand one another in
For
a much
sure.
better way.
Definitely.
I love it. I love salads that have an international.
Okay, so Miss Betty, one thing that is so cool about this recipe is actually featuring some cucumbers from our very own Old McCalla farm. From McCalla
Oh my
Farm.
God, how great!
Yes.
It's going to even be better, guys. It's locally produced produce,
Local.
which is even better. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And now we're just going to add in our dressing. You can add in a little or a lot, however you like it.
Is this the dressing that I made?
This is the dressing we just made.
The
Put your
healthy
special
dressing.
touch on it. Yes, ma'am.
That you made with water instead of oil so that it'll be more healthy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, got
Yep.
it.
We're in that healthy
But again, this
focus
is
month.
another kid-friendly recipe. This is something we want our kids to think about over the holidays instead of just enjoying all those Christmas presents. Get in the kitchen, cook with your parents.
Yes, ma'am. And one thing that's cool about this is the name. So the reason why I call this cool as a cucumber, because did you know that the inside of a cucumber is about 20 degrees cooler than the actual room? So that's why cucumbers are so cool.
Well, not only can we use it now during the holidays, I think this is handy in June and July in Houston.
Oh, for sure. Okay, so are we all mixed up? Are we ready to taste it?
I'm ready.
Okay, pour us out some, Miss Betty.
Okay.
It looks so yummy.
You make sure you get all the goodies.
All the goodies. We need all the ingredients in there. You see how colorful and nice this salad is?
Yes, it is. It's so pretty in the bowl.
For sure.
And you know what? I think what I'm going to do is just tilt it just a little bit.
Okay, so we can see.
So people can see just how colorful it is and crunchy and healthy and fresh. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
All right, let's try it.
Hey kids, this is great.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Nice and crunchy and fresh. And I think kids will really like this because it kind of reminds you of a dill pickle. Since cucumbers make pickles and we have the dill in there, I think they'll like it.
And these strange little chickpeas, I'm telling you, it's got an international flair. You can make it whether you could just look at the map of the world, and it's highly representative of all the diversity that you find in HISD schools. So, bon appetit and enjoy.
Yes, ma'am. Well, thank you, Miss Betty, for joining us at HISD Cafe. Everyone, make sure that you guys follow this recipe in our description and follow us on social media and all of our platforms. We'll see you next time at HISD Cafe. Okay, HISD family, so I'm here with our 2022 Happy Holiday Harvest book. We also have a 2021 as well. So if you check our Nutrition Services website, you'll be able to see a QR code that will send you to this recipe book. It has a couple favorites that we've had, our purple sweet potato pie, our mame ice cream, and our veggie frittata, to name a few. So check out our book today. Hope you love it.